Ochalaba okwanjula n'embaga nga kukutuusibwako
City Bridals ku Kamukamu Plaza.
Ndaira sirimba leero bino binjogera byakumoyo tobola omutima gwange munda tegukubira nze ne kuntujja omukwano leero njagala otegere nti wampamba wotoli siryasenywa nze sebaka nyabo.
It's always been a mystery to me how two hearts can come together and love can last forever. And now that I found you, I believe that a miracle has come when God sends a perfect one. Not gonna run my questions about why, and I'll never be. You told my heart to be like this. It's coming on. I want you to know I let nothing come between us, and I will love the ones you love. No going on my questions about love. I will try, and I've never been so sure of anything in my life. I wonder what God was thinking when He created you.
The gift or the token that we give you is God. The Bible should be part of you at all times. Even before your breakfast, have your Bible.
In joining hands with Francis, you've become part of Francis's family. So right now, for us, I don't know whether you are Mwise what? Your clan. You are no longer part of that clan. You have now become Nyajabiranga Nyakango.
To everyone here, some of you know me and some of you don't. Along with Juliet, I met Juliet in 2010, and I also met Charles and Florence Bizingi in 2010. Would they come up and be with us? As they're coming, I'll just give a short history. Juliet was my translator at a medical clinic, and she did awesome. And she translated for me as we led some people in the prayer of salvation. And I was very thankful for helping me in that arena. And I met Christian and Francis then, and I was really thankful to meet them. And I thought Francis a wonderful man.
He is a very caring person and very loving, very humorous. I remember there are many times we visited her with my husband, and we really forget we have to go home. Yeah, Francis. Julie is a wonderful girl.
What you have got with the prayer, through prayer, please always kneel and continue praising Him.
What?
Julieta Toro Francis Kapala. Julieta Toro Francis Kapala. Julieta Toro Francis
Serako kukyusa omugolo omukyala yambadde ekiteeteeyi kya papo ne silva nga kimufiitinze si yalina omubiri omulungi bambi yalina nnyo ate nga n'omwami yajjako pascot bonna ne bongera okunyumirwa
njagala nnyo ebinisuuti ate naddala mukadde ng'ebintawanya bikendedde santi satisfaction guaranteed olinnya yakekukankarati oli personal property my dear sikatonda sikupangisa mani sense nina zimara newe ziba teziwera mutwalo
Recognize the presence of different people here, people who have come from distant places, those people who have traveled all the way from Tororo, all the way from Jinja, my sisters and brothers, my parents. I'm humbled. I also reach out my thanks to my in-laws for the great work you have done tirelessly to make this function ceremonious. I'm really so grateful. I promise I will not disappoint you. I thank the organizing committee that was under the chairmanship of Mr. Chofapo. I really thank you so much. You have done a great job. Lastly, I would like to thank my wife, this lovely lady, for choosing me, for accepting me, for loving me. You see her here, but she's a very strong lady. Thank you so much. She has something to say.
Engalo za Francis Juliet naye atubulire nze bannange bino bambyogere mu Lusoga yogeka birimi oba mu Ludicha dada ndagere mu Lusoga nebaza Kibumba eyandogomolera omukisa gwobuka omugogofu omulenzi oyo walala titafuuse mwami wange aye mukwano gwange kuvaira mufumbirwa mukwano gwange antegeera mutegeera antegeera mutegeera antegeera ora nebaza omwami wange Francis webale okola mabanka abawala abanirira abansinga bandi banga babaireyo aye ninze abasinze tukiikirize mwebaza bange emirwala ninze mu bizibu ebingi mu ntalo byonna byonna nga mukwano gwange nga tukalina kulowooza nti tulituuka wano aye mwebaza kuba anenda ate anendesa bikolwa
tayogera bwogere.
Are you serious?
Yes. Serious. 100%.
Kino nga kiwedde bandi balina okugulawo amazina. Mukolo gwabwe gwatambudde bulungi, gwabadde simple and nice. Francis ne Juliet Owori mwe bali kuleta mukolo ku Delta TV. Juliet we bali kunyuma, we bali kubeera mukyala mukakamu, mukyala ayina empisa, omukyala omulungi munda ne kungulu. Mukama bateremu obwangu mu maka gammwe. Wow, Juliet, Francis ne Juliet Owori mubali nyo kuleta mukolo ku Delta TV. Esawa yaffe esooka ekomekereza nga tukutuusako kye bayita wedding album. Nawe eyakola okukyalako sobola okutuweereza ebifaananyi byo waneno ku Delta TV ne tubikulagira mu wedding album yaffe nga bwe tugenda okukola bino. Nkwagala nnyo.
Oh yeah, chikati mikwano gyange. Amanya gange nze mubuulizi Ebeneza beina omugisha. Ndi mubuulizi wa wano n'abalanga ne bazava nange mwena abanange abamperekerako bwe twagenda okukyala mu maka gye bazaala mukwano gwange Barbara. Mubeerewo ennaku z'omwezi nga 8 omwezi ogw'omusanvu mwaka guno gwennyini 2017 Barbara tumukube embaga ebinda bimwe tukote. Mukama abampeere nnyo omukisa.
Wow, kati gende mu Bulango. Esimu yange ogirina ayagala okubeera nga booking omukolo. Esimu ogirina City Bridals girina okubeera nga ojja gowns ne changing dresses ne maid dresses ku Kamukamu Plaza Quinty Road, Sharita's Hair Clinic. Erina okubeera mukwano ge kolako enviiri ku mukolo gwo ate tusomesa n'abo abaagala okuyiga enviiri. Tebakutiisa Sharita's gwe tuukayo. Sharita ojja mulaba mujja kuteesa saluni ey'ekirooto kyo ekoleko. Kati gende mu Bulango tukomawo mu ssaawa yaffe eddako n'omukolo omulala.
Okyalaba okwanjula n'embaga nga kukutuusibwako
City Bridals ku Kamukamu Plaza.
Omukwano leero njagala otegere nti